Hello boys and girls, it's Mr. Averill with a cooking video today. We are going to be making a dish that comes from the other side of the world, from Indonesia. It's called Gado-gado salad, and here are all the ingredients. There's going to be a lot of vegetables, but we also would use rice, or for me, I'm going to use some quinoa because that's what I had. So I'll get my bowl and let's go over the ingredients. We're going to have tahini. I think the recipe calls for peanut butter or almond butter, but any type of ground seed or nut will work really well. We're also going to use ginger. It's pretty cool looking, right? Ginger is a root. If it's a root, does it grow above ground or below ground? Our next ingredient is garlic, and I'll tell you something about garlic that's similar to ginger. They both grow underground. They're both roots. Our next ingredient, it would be sugar. I just had a packet of sugar. Then we'll add some water, half a cup. We're going to need some apple cider vinegar and some red pepper flakes if you like it hot. I do. Here's all our ingredients. We'll mix these all up, and that's going to be our dressing. Let's go ahead and do some harvesting. This is that kale that we had actually planted some weeks ago in a recycled container, and it's been growing very well out on my balcony, and I'm going to add a little bit of kale to this salad. It's so nice and fresh, but there's another plant that I'm going to add to our salad as well. For the students from Wilshire Crest, you probably know what this plant is. Yep, it's sorrel. And for students from 24th Street, sorrel is a plant that is kind of sour. It tastes like lettuce mixed with a little bit of lemon. It's really good. So I'm going to get these washed, set them to the side. We're not going to cook these leaves. We're going to add them to the salad at the end. So I'll put them to the side, and let's go over the ingredients that we'll use, that we will cook. We have broccoli. Where's broccoli? What other vegetables can you pick out from this picture? I see carrots, I see a cucumber, I see some celery, and that one that's big at the bottom, that is Napa cabbage. I'm going to chop up all of these vegetables. I'm going to dice them into pieces that are about the size of a die, and I'm not going to cook the cucumber. So I'm going to cut up all the pieces. I'm going to put the cucumber in a bowl, and I'm going to keep that to the side. But the broccoli, the carrot, the celery, and the Napa cabbage, I'm going to steam that. Let's head over to the stove. Put this into a pot. Make sure that it's covered to keep the steam in. We'll steam this for about 2 or 3 minutes. There's just a little bit of water in there, and the steam helps cook the vegetables quickly and seal in all of the nutrition. So I know I'm done when the vegetables are looking really bright. The orange of the carrots and that bright green broccoli looks delicious. So I'll mix it up in my bowl with a little bit of dressing. Make sure it's covering all those vegetables. And then I have some lettuce, also my kale and sorrel that I had just barely harvested. We'll add on some of that quinoa, and you could be using some cooked rice, or if you have couscous or any type of grain, works really well. Then I'll add my vegetables. These are the ones that we steamed for a little bit, and then I tossed in the dressing. I It was just those seasonings all mixed up with the tahini. This looks good and it smells really good too. But I'm going to take it out to the porch and eat it with one of my plants. I hope you enjoyed the video, boys and girls. Bye!